Hi, this is Group 50, and today we will be presenting our research for the 2007 Greensburg tornado. My name is Tyra Banks, and another member of ours name is Subaru Kikuchi. Subaru Kikuchi lives in Japan, so unfortunately he was unable to join us today. However, we have his audio available to present.
I'm Casey Sasusko.
I'm Dulce Leiva.
I'm Jarius Jones.
I want to talk about Greensburg tornado. Greensburg tornado is a meteorological disaster that caused by extreme weather such as heavy rain, ice, wind, and so on. Greensburg tornado hit Greensburg, Kansas on May 4th, 2007. The Greensburg tornado is one of the biggest tornado in the US history. There's a lot of killed and injured. Wind speed was 330 kilometers per hour and 2.7 kilometers in the width. 95% of city was destroyed. 11 people killed and 60 people injured.
So the science behind tornadoes. Tornadoes are strong, rotating columns of air that extend from the thunderstorm cloud to the ground. It occurs when warm, humid air collides with cold, dry air. When these two air masses collide, the warm air rises and is spun by the cold air that sunk towards the ground. This produces spinning air, and as it tightens, it increases wind speed.
On May 3rd, a strong low-pressure trough moved slowly through the northwestern region of the U.S. With the presence of a front-end versatility maximum and jet streaks, this sparked multiple storms and tornadoes in northern Colorado. From the first few storms that occurred through the trough, the next few began to move southwest. By May 4th, Kansas citizens were under a moderate risk of severe weather and tornadoes. As the storm moved further into Kansas, a long supercell produced a narrow yet strong tornado in Ellis County. Another tornado formed from the supercell as it intensified and shifted to the Kansas border. All while happening, strong wind fields of all levels moved along the low-pressure trough, along with a warm atmosphere, strong low-level jet stream, and wind speeds at different heights. With all this occurring, this made way for the Greensburg, Kansas tornado to take place. While so, 11 people were killed and a minimum of 60 were injured. Suburban and northern Greensburg experienced damage, as well as 961 homes and businesses overall were destroyed as well. Before the storm, a 20-minute warning signal took place, and media calls and information from the state emergency operations occurred. Courthouses and basements were used for shelter.
Okay, so with every disaster, everybody thinks, when will we get back to, a state of normalcy? When will things be the same again? And so they work with FEMA to create a recovery plan. The plan was finalized on August 15, 2007, and 6 projects for the plan are below. Along with the recovery process, there was also economic loss. Unemployment spiked 36%. There was a loss of jobs, 22 to be exact. 33 businesses damaged, 95% of the city destroyed, and $268 million of the city in damage.
The recurrence and frequency of Kansas. I have provided both formulas. The recurrence for Kansas is 12.1. Greensburg tornado is ranked number 10 over the last 120 years. I added the years on record plus 1 and divided by the number of tornadoes. The frequency of tornadoes in Kansas is 73.2 tornadoes per year. This is because Kansas has had 366 tornadoes in over the past 5 years, making it an average of 73.2 tornadoes per year.